Hey guys, I had a session with a life coach once. I asked her how I could do her job, but you know what? I never became a life coach. Instead, I got something even more valuable. I learned in one 15-minute session, a free session, something priceless that I'll never forget. Here it is. Think of those times in your childhood, in your career, hell, even yesterday, where you felt totally alive, totally passionate, like the clock stood still. You had no clue what time it was. You could have kept on doing it for free. And you know what? As I've gone from 12,000 to 92,000 followers, I've been doing just that, giving my time and expertise for free and feeling totally alive doing it. See, I help people with career coaching, LinkedIn tips, resume tips. And you know what? It's not about life. I want to help people sustain life. I want to help people pop their profiles to attract the jobs or leads, if they're a business, of their dreams for their joy and mine. Can I help you? By the way, why am I not in this video? Because I'd rather be putting the spotlight on you. Have a great one. Stay safe.